Hey kids, today we're going to learn our animal names with this awesome rainbow of Play-Doh colors. Let's start with the color red. This is red. Let's make it into a ball. And flatten it out. What animal do you think would make a good red? How about a lion? Let's press it down and push the plunger and pull away the excess Play-Doh. Let's see how our lion turned out. Here it comes. Oh, look how awesome it turned out. It's so scary looking. Our next color is orange. Here's orange. What animal do you think we should use for orange? I think we should use a tiger. Now for the extra Play-Doh. Here comes our tiger. Our next color is yellow. This is yellow. I wonder what animal we can find to be our yellow. How about this giraffe? That's a good idea. Giraffes are yellow. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Uh-oh, its head's stuck. There we go. It looks really good now. There's our giraffe. Got a long neck and long legs too. So cool. Our next color is light green. Here's light green right here. I wonder what would make a good light green. How about this hippo? A hippo would make a good light green. It's even got little hearts on it. That's so cute. Here it goes. Push the button. Can't wait to see our hippo. Oh, how cute! And look, you can see the hearts from the print. That's so cool. Now that we did light green, I think we should do green now. Here's our green. What would make a good green? Let's think about that while we squish it out. I know! How about a frog? Ribbit, ribbit. That's a great idea. Come on, little froggy. Let's see. Here he comes. Oh, look at how cute. Wow. This frog turned out so well. Next, we're gonna do blue. This is one of my favorite colors. Here's blue right here. What animal do you think we're gonna do? How about a cute little penguin? Doesn't that seem like a good idea? Oh, this one's so cute. Alright, here comes our cute little penguin. I hope she turned out alright. Oh, look at that! What a cute little blue penguin. Waka waka waka. I don't know what noise they make, but that sounds pretty cute. Alright, penguin. Now for dark blue. We just did blue. This one is dark blue. You can see it's a little darker. What animal's next? How about an elephant? An elephant would make a really good dark blue. Here we go. Gotta make sure to push the button. Alright, here's our elephant. Let's see how it turned out. Flip it over and push the button. Oh, perfect! What a cute little elephant. Aww. Alright guys, our last color. It's purple. Here's purple right here. Let's see, what are we gonna do for our last animal? Let's flatten it out a bit. How about a turtle? I bet you didn't guess a turtle. It was a surprise. Aw, and this one's so cute. What a perfect animal for our last color. Alright, here's our turtle. Oh, look at how cute. It kind of looks like a turtle from Mario Brothers. It's so cute, aw. Alright. Alright guys, check out all the cool animals we made. We made a red lion, orange tiger, yellow giraffe, light green hippo, a green frog, a blue penguin, a dark blue elephant, and a purple turtle. Wow, they're so cute. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool videos. Alright guys, bye.